everyone, this is Miss Mary again, and I was looking forward to seeing you again and work with you. Okay, let's continue with our key signatures. Can you turn your pages to 19, 19? Okay, remember last week we worked on the major key signatures and minor key signatures. There are two forms of minor scale, right? Natural minor and the the harmonic minor. Okay, natural minor is as is, so you don't do anything to it. It's the same. The key signature as it's relative major. For the minor, but the harmonic minor, you have to raise the seventh, right? Okay, good. Let's do C major scale first. Okay, we're going to start with something very easy. Now, C to C. Can you draw it? Can you draw C, then D, E, F, G, A, and B, and C? Good. Why don't you leave a little space between the notes? We can do some more. We can add sharps or flats. Okay, good. Tell me, what do you have in the key of C major? No sharps, no flats. Easy. That's it. So just leave it as it is. Okay, now B flat major. Then tell me, is that a sharp key or flat key? It is a flat key. Okay, then how many flats? You gotta go to this name, which is B flat, and another flat, one more flat, which is E flat. All right, good. So let's draw. Now this is bass clef, so we're gonna start from B first, okay? And draw B to B. E, F, G, A, and B. All right, so what are we going to flat? B and E. First one's B flat, and the last one's B flat too. Okay, and you gotta flat E. Okay, this is it. So in the key of B flat major, you have B flat and E flat. Good. Let's do A natural minor scale. Now, see, you always have to look for its relative major. You go from the major key, okay? What's the relative major of A minor? Easy. Here's A minor, right? From minor to major, you go up 3 steps. 1, 2, 3. So this is C major. Now tell me, in the key of C major, is there any sharp or flat? No. So you don't do anything, okay? No sharp, you don't add any sharp or flat. So let's draw from A. See, it's an A minor, right? So draw A to A. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, and A. And don't sharp or flat anything. Okay. Now A major, we'll do A major now. Okay. First of all, we're going to draw the scale degrees. Now A, B, C, D, E, F, G, and A. All right. Then what do we do next? We got to figure out the key signature for A major, right? Then if it's, now tell me, is that a flat key or sharp key? It is a sharp key. Then how do you figure out the sharp key signature? See, half step below A is G sharp, right? Now, in order, up to this G sharp is F sharp, C sharp, and G sharp. 3 sharps. Okay, go ahead and sharp those 3. Now, here's F sharp. Look for C sharp, which is the 3rd one, and a G sharp, the 7th note. Good. Let's move on to F major. Okay, draw the notes from F to F. Here's F, G, A, B, C, D, E, and F. Okay, now we're going to figure out the key signature. F major. Is that a sharp key or flat key? See, there's no flat sign, but it is a flat key. It's exception 1, right? Which is, there's a B flat. Okay, so look for a B and flat it. And can we do G major? Okay, sharp key or flat key? It is a sharp key. How can you tell? No flat sign right next to the G. Okay, in the key of G major. Now, what will be the last sharp? Here, half step below G is F sharp, isn't it? F sharp. Now, F sharp is the first sharp. So this is one and only in the key of G major. Okay, so let's draw the notes from G to G. G, A, B, C, D, E, F, and G. Okay, then can you sharp F? It's right there. Got it? Good. Easy, easy. Okay, can we go to the next page now? Let's go to the page 20. Okay, this is page 20. And first one, E major scale. Now you're going to draw the notes from E to E. E, F, G, A, B, C, D, and E. Okay. And tell me, sharp key or flat key? It is a sharp key, right? Because there's no flat sign. What's a half step below E? That's a D sharp, right? Here's E, and half step below E is, it's right there, D sharp. So D sharp will be the last sharp. Okay, what's the order of sharps up to that D sharp? It's F, C, G, and D. Okay? All right, so we're going to sharp them. Where's F? Right there, the second one. Where's C? Up there. C sharp. And G sharp, the third one. And D sharp, it's right after the C sharp. Okay. Easy? Okay, now here. It's A minor, but it's harmonic minor. Okay? A minor. What do we have in the key of A? Minor. Remember? We have to go from the major key first, right? So, in the key of A minor is a relative of 1, 2, 3. C major, right? So in the key of C major, no sharps or no flats. Okay, so that's what we're going to do. We're going to start from A first. Okay, A to A. So there's A, B, C, D, E, F, G, A. Okay, as you know, in the key of C major and A minor, no sharps or no flats. But this is harmonic minor. How do you do harmonic minor? Remember? Remember? You gotta raise the seventh. Good. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 right there. So there's a G sharp. Okay? A harmonic minor is with G sharp. The seventh is raised. Good. Let's do the last one. D major scale. Okay, first, can we draw from D to D in the treble clef? F, G, A, B, C, and D. Ready? Okay, then tell me. D major, is that a sharp key or a flat key? A sharp key, yes. Then how do you figure it out? Half step below D is C sharp. Now, order of sharps up to the C sharp is F sharp and C sharp, right? Okay, so we're going to sharp F first, and we're going to sharp C. Easy? All right. Wow, well, we're covering a lot today again. Okay, now can we go to the page 21, and we're going to learn the new things. How about intervals? Can you say intervals? Okay, intervals is the distance between two notes. From here to here, from C to E, from C to F, from C to G. And those are called distance, interval. Okay? Now from C to D is only a second, right? From line to the space. What about C to E? Here we go. There's line, space, line. So it's third. How about C to F? It's 1, 2, 3, 4. Line, space, line, space. Okay, how about C to G? Here we go. Line, space, line, space, line. Isn't that 5? Okay, this is 6 because, look, C, D, E, F, G, A. Good. And from C to B is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Always count the lines and spaces. Okay? All right, good. Now, if you still don't understand this, this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to write in the key of C major in letters C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C. Okay? Now look, from C to D is 1, 2, right? So this is 2. From C to E is, let's count it together. 1, 2, 3. You got to count from the C. So this is 3, right? Now from C to F is, count it up. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then what do you call it? 4th interval, right? And so on. Get it? Okay. Then can we try this? We have F to B flat. Now never mind the flat sign, okay? All right, now we're going to just look at it as F and B rather than F and B flat. Don't get confused by the accidentals. Okay, then let's do this. Space, line, space, line. How many is that? 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's why this is 4th. Okay, now do the next one. All right, what do we have? We have D to D. Count it up. D, E, F, G, A, B, C, D. Isn't that 8? Yeah, it's 8th. Perfect interval. Okay, now let's do count from E to B. Okay, here we go. Line, space, line, space, line. How many is that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5th. How about from G to the B? Line, space, line. G, A, B. What do you think? It's 3rd, right? Good. How about this? They're so close together. Line to space. It's only a second. Okay, next one. Space to line, but we're going to count the space and lines. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is 6. From bottom node to the top node. Now here, they're very close again. Line to space. It's a 1, 2, second. A to G. Okay, count it up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It's a 7th. So easy, isn't it? Intervals are very easy. Okay, and here, E to C sharp or E to C. Okay, count it up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now what do we have next? We have C and we have F. Okay, let's count it up. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is 4th. F to F. If it's the same note, same 2 notes, isn't that 8th? Okay, close together, space to line. So this is 2nd. Okay, now let's count it. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Isn't that 7th? Yes, it is. It's 7th. Okay, how about next one? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If you guessed it as a 5th, then you're good. You're right. And this is 3rd, yes. And the last one is 1, 2, 3, 4. Isn't that 4th? Yes, good. Get it? What do you call it? Intervals. What is interval? Is the distance between 2 notes. It's right up here. Interval is the distance between 2 notes. Okay, that's good. Let's go to the page 21 now. I'm 22 now. Now, number 2, write a note above the given note. So we're going to draw the notes above the notes, okay? To complete these intervals. The first one is given. I mean, it's done for you. So this is fifth. What do? You just go ahead and count the lines and spaces. Here we go. Line, space, line, space, line. That's fifth. Okay? And don't worry about the flats or the sharps. Okay, third from the space. Space, line, space. It's right there. So you're going to draw a space note right above that F. Okay? All right, now six from there is, count it out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, which is F. A to F is 6. How about fourth? From D, D, E, F, G. From D to G is fourth. Now second, remember second? It's from space to line or line to space. You're going to draw it on the side. You got to write the note on the side of that given one. Okay? Seventh from here, count it up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, which is E. Okay? You know, eighth is F to F. So one short is E, right? Now, oh, here's eighth. So this is C. And the 8 steps above C is high C. Okay, let's do third now. This is E. So you go 1, 2, 3. E, F, G. It should be a G. Good. Let's do eighth now. Eighth from this G is... Isn't the same G? Yeah, go to higher G and draw one. Okay. And third, from that D up is D, E, F. So this is F. And fourth from this B is B, C, D, E. Good. Very easy. Okay. Now, second from this G is, it's right next to it. It's on the side, which is A. Okay. Fifth from this A is, let's count it up. Space, line, space, line, space. Right there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which is E. And fourth from this F is, count it up. Line, space, which is B. F to B is fourth. Okay. Now sixth from this E is E, F, G, A, B, C. Okay, 6 up. And seventh from the C is, you know, eighth is C, right? C to C. Then one short is B. And do you want to make sure? Okay, let's double check. Let's count it up. Space, line, space, line, space, line, space. Isn't the seventh? Yes. That's good. Okay. Now we're going to name the circle intervals in the examples below. Okay. Now this music is from Minuet and F by W.A. Mozart. Okay. Wolfgang Amadeus Mozart, 18th century composer. We all know him. Okay. Now tell me, one flat. This is in the key of F major. Okay. All right. I'm just checking. All right. But we're going to work on the intervals now. F to A. Line to line. What do you think? It's a third. Okay. Here, F to B or B to F. What do you think? Let's count it. Here's line, space, line, space, line. Isn't that fifth? Mm-hmm. Good. All right. C to C, same notes. Octave or eighth. Okay. C to F. You wanna try it? Space, line, space, line. What do you think? It's the fourth. Okay. Now we'll do the very bottom of the page. Question B. Now, from Ecossaics in G by Mr. Beethoven. Another very well-known composer from 18th century. Now, check the key signature. One sharp. What do you think? G major. Okay. All right. Now, here we have a B and D. What do you think? Third, yes. B, C, D, right? F to E. What do you think? Seventh. Mm-hmm. Here you go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. All right. Later, you're going to learn the quality like a major 7 or a minor 7. But for this level, don't worry about it. Okay. Just count the steps. You're from C to D. It's a second. Oh, did I miss one? I did. Okay, what's that? F to C. Okay, count it up. Line, space, line, space, line. What's that? It's a fifth. Very good. Okay. All right, so intervals are done now. Okay, now can we do major and minor triads? Now, triads are very, very difficult. Now, those of you who took level 1B with me, I mean, it will be easy for you. But those of you who never had a previous level and you're starting from this level 2, then you're gonna pay attention, okay? Now, there's a major triad and there's minor triad. Okay, we're gonna go with major first. All right, now here. Now you have D major from D to D. There's F sharp and C sharp, right? Okay, now you wanna circle the first degree, which is D, and the third one, D, E, F. Third interval from D is F sharp, right? And now fifth interval from F sharp, and from D is A. So 1, 3rd, and 5th. First note, third note, and fifth note. And that's what you call a triad. 3 notes, okay? Triad. This is blocked one, okay? And this is broken one. Blocked triad, broken triad. Okay? All right, so let's try that. All right, this is number 1. Name the major triads. These are all in block triads, right? And it says major triad. So, I'm going to show you how to figure out the major and minor triad later, but we'll just go ahead and work on the bottom note now. Tell me, this one is E major triad. And why is it E major triad? Because the bottom note is an E. Now here, this is called, what do you think? What note is that? It's a B flat, isn't it? B flat major triad. Okay, how about the next one? We have the bottom note as D, right? So it's a D major, M-A-J-O-R. Okay, what do you think? You have A, C sharp, and E. The bottom note is A, and this is A major triad. I'm going to just write M as a major, big M, okay? Now here, we have C, E, G. What do you think? A C major triad, because C is on the bottom. And this, which one's the lowest note? F. So what do you call it? F major triad. Bass clap, GBD. So it's a G major triad. Here, what do we have? B flat major. Okay, next one. D, F sharp, and A. Lowest note, D. D major. You have A, C sharp, and E. Lowest note is A. So it's A major. Next one, E, G sharp, and B. Lowest note is, you tell me, it's an E. E major. E flat, G, B flat. Lowest note is E what? E what? Flat. Yes, E flat major. Easy? Okie doke. Okay, then can we go to the next page? It's page 24. Now, write these triads. The first one is done for you. In the key of E major, there's E, G sharp and B. There are two ways to do it. Now, if it's a major triad, okay, you can do, here, let me get a paper for you. Okay, if it's a major, you have 3 notes, right? Like this. Bottom 2. 4 half steps. Now, not the fourth, but 4 half steps. And the top 2, 3 half steps. Okay? Now, I'll show you what I mean. Now, there's E, G sharp, and B, right? Here's E, G sharp, and B. We're going to count the half steps up, okay? Here we go. E to F is 1, F to F sharp is 2, F sharp to G is 3, and G to G sharp is 4. So there's 4, right? And we have G sharp to A is 1, A to A sharp is 2, A sharp to B is 3. So we have 3 half steps. So it's 4 and 3. That's major. Okay? So can we try one for A major now? Here, you're going to draw A first, A on the bottom, okay? And build a triad. Space, space, space. Okay? And we're going to go from here. Now, here's A. What's a 4 half? Remember, you got to have 4 half steps first, right? Then you have 1, 2, 3, 4. What's that? It's a C sharp. You got to sharp it. Okay? And 3 half steps now. 1, 2, 3. That's an E. So there's E. This is 3 half steps. So you have A, C sharp, and E. That's A major. Or this is what you can do. This is other way, more advanced way. Okay. In the key of A major. Now you gotta figure out the sharps, right? How do you do that? Half step below A is G sharp, right? And order of sharps up to this sharp is F and C and G. Do you see a C sharp here? That's how you figure it out. Okay. Never mind. Now we'll do with the 4 steps and 3 steps. Okay? All right. B flat major. We'll do more easier way to do. Okay. There's a B, D, and F. Draw 3 line notes first and make sure you put the B flat sign. Okay? Here's a B flat. Now, how many half steps do you have to have it for the bottom 2 notes? 4. That's it. Let's go up. 1, 2, 3, 4. What's that? It's a D, right? So there's D. Now from D, now how many half steps now? 3. Let's go. 1, 2, 3. What's that? It's F. See? There's F. So this is B flat major. Get it? Okay. Can we try F major now? So what do? You gotta draw F first and draw space notes. 3 notes. Space, space, space. Okay? Now, you're going to do it 4 and 3 steps first. Here's F. Now, we're going to have 4 half steps on the bottom, right? Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. What's that? It's A. So there's A. Okay? Then we'll do 3 half steps from A now. Here we go. Up, up, up. What's that? It's a C. So this is good. This is F major. All right. Can we do just a few more? All right. G major. So are we going to draw G, B, and D? Okay. There's G. Okay. Go up how many steps? 4. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. There's a B. So there's B, right? Okay. And how many more steps? 3. 1, 2, 3. What's that? It's a D. So there's a D. This is the way to do it. Okay. So can we do just one more? E flat major now. So draw E, G, B, and flat the E. Okay. We're going to start from this E flat. Okay. Go up how many steps? 4. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's a G. Okay, now how many steps? 3. Here we go. 1 half step, 2 half step, 3 half step. What's that? B something. It's not B natural, but B flat. There you go. All right, that was kind of hard, wasn't it? Okay, so we'll do it up to here today, and we're going to continue next week. Okay, you try so hard, and good job. And we'll see you next week. Bye-bye.